Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in with eBay Partner Network to generate affiliate commissions. Complete guide step by step clearly.
To begin, navigate to the eBay Partner Network website.
Click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page.
If you already have an account, enter your registered email address and password. If you don't have an account, click on the Join Now button to create one. Fill in the required information in the registration form. This typically includes your name, email address, and chosen password.
Next, agree to the terms and conditions.
After completing the registration, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to activate your eBay Partner Network account. Once your account is verified, return to the eBay Partner Network website. Click on the Sign In button again. Enter your email address and password to log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard.
Familiarize yourself with the various sections available.
To generate affiliate links, navigate to the Links section. Choose the products or categories that you wish to promote. Utilize the search feature to find specific items if necessary. Once you find a product, click on the Get Link option. Customize your affiliate link if needed. Copy the generated link to share on your platforms. Keep track of your performance in the Reports section.
Here, you can monitor clicks, sales, and earnings. Regularly check this section to optimize your affiliate strategy.
Remember to always conform to eBay's affiliate guidelines. This will ensure your account remains in good standing.
By following these steps, you can successfully log into the eBay Partner Network and start earning affiliate commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.